So why did you put it in this particular area?
I chose this spot due to the fact is, I mean, my camera's over there.
Yeah, the camera's over there.
And I can see it from the back porch.
And he can sit on the back porch and see it.
Right down through here.
We have babies and mamas, families that live back here, and we like to feed them. Now, if a buck comes back here, we will harvest it depending on how big it is. But yes, we can see them from the porch, especially we have our binoculars, and it's so pretty to watch. We've done this for how many years? Going on 5, huh? We are so excited. Our friends Susan and Daryl invited us to visit a church. We've never been there, and Leon and I are going to go for the first time tonight. It is about to storm, but it's not supposed to last long. And they're going to have a dinner because they usually have a dinner on Wednesday night. The pastor cooks for everyone. It is a small country church. It is not big at all, which is the kind of church that we like. And so we are excited, right?
Yes, very excited.
So thank y'all so much for watching our video. And I will try to put in some clips of our eating our dinner and things like that if I can. Good night, you guys. Jesus loves you.
God bless. Be safe.
Bye-bye. Hey, love.
Just give donations to help pay for the food. Preacher cooks every meal. Be right back.
you got?
A burger.
I want that recipe. Hold on.
Yeah,
That look good.
Bro. All right, good to see you, man. These are my neighbors, Mr. Leon.